Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the puzzle page of the weekend edition of the Saturday edition, Saturday, Sunday, June the 8th, June the 9th, 2024. In this puzzle page, we have 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars Sudoku, 4 stars Sudoku, a killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, one with 4 stars, one with 3 stars, and the jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. 4 of them I will solve this evening, and not all too much for me, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Yes, let me start with the 3 stars. No, it's a 4 stars. Wow, 4 stars. 4 stars Sudoku, and this will be number. All right. Oh, well. Need more space here. All right. This will be number 8679. 8679. 8679. And before I start, I always count and print the digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. Well, a 4 stars puzzle has 24 printed digits. This one has 2 digits more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Question is this a 4 stars puzzle or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. 4 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 missing numbers now in this column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. Only place left for 9 should be there. Alright, so we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9, okay. 9. 2. We have a pair, the 2 and the 4 in the last column, the 2 and the 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. So 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left on the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. Then 5, okay. Need a 2 here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 5, okay. 8. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then, let me see. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, okay. 2. Okay, 2. Do we have a pair here? Yeah. We have a 2 and a 5 in the first row. We have a 2 and a 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places left with 2 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Let me mark those two boxes. These two missing numbers in this big square, the numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. So one digit left in the third row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing here. Alright. 3, 3. Need a 1. Yep. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places left are 3, could be here, could be there. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. So the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So one digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. No, the 6, the 7 is missing here. Two missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in the third column for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. 1, 1. Need 1 here. Okay, and now, let me see. How about? Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4 and the 9. Yeah. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in this row, so no 4 and 9 in these two boxes. We have a 4 and a 9 in this column, so no 4 and 9 in those two boxes. So 2 boxes left for the 4 and the 9. The 4 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these two boxes. 1 box left with a 7 in this big square. Shoot me there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and 5. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. So we have a 4 in this column. 4 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row. 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only place left for the 4. A should be here. Then. Need a 7 here. 7, 3, 1. Okay, 1, 7, and 8. Need an 8 here. And 7 there. Alright. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So the row above the only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third last column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 there. Then 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row above the only place left. The 5. It should be there. Need a 5 here. 1, 8, need 8, 1, 8, and the 7. Well, 1, 7, and 8. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 1, 7, 8. 178, 178, 178, and look, we have 1 and 7 in the last row. No 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 8. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So the row between. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So the row below, only place level 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 8. Here 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 7. Here 2 numbers left in the middle. 1 and the 7. Then need 7 here. And I need 6 here. Well, I need a 6 there. Alright. Need a 3 here. 3 in this row. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left on the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. And the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, no 1 goes there. Alright. 1 and a 7. We have a 1 now in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in this last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Need a 1 here. Here. 1 or a 7. We have a 7 now, so this box should be a 1. 1 and 3, we have 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then 1 box left now in this middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. Then let me see. 3, the 4. Need a 4 here. How about the 5 then? 5, 5. Need a 5 here. 5, 1, 6. 4, 1, 6. 4 and the 9. Oh, overlooked. 4 and a 9. We already have a 9 here in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes in there. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 7 and a 5. We already have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in this row, last row. 5 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 6 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. 4 stars, don't think so. 3 stars, don't think so. 2 stars, don't think so. Should be a 1 star. 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. Man, I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.